Saviland sent me a nail drill, but can this nail drill compare to my $400 nail drill? Let's try it out. This is made for acrylic nails, so this should work great. Ooh, and we can go up to 50,000 RPMs with this thing. 12 hours of battery life. This is looking like it's gonna be awesome, so I'm so excited to check this out. All right, let's open her up. I love the holographic box, it's so cool. Oh, a nice little message in the box. All right, so first up we've got the handle here. This has a really good weight to it. It's not too heavy, but it's heavy enough where I feel like it wouldn't really slip around when you're trying to work with a nail, which is great. It feels very sturdy. I'm gonna just pull this insert out. All right, and then here's the actual battery pack itself. We've got a little screen on front. See if it comes with a... Oh, it comes with a full charge. That's awesome. We've got an in and out and a USB option for charging, it looks like. Ooh, it comes with actually quite a few goodies in here. So it comes with one of these like standard little sets here and a sanding band mandrel with a couple different grits of sanding band, looks like. And a whole bunch of extra sanding bands too in the box. Over in this box we've got a buffer, big buffer, and another buffer with 2 different grits on it. All very purple. We've got a dust brush with kind of like a holographic handle, kind of like the packaging. Very nice brush. I can't believe all this is 50 bucks, to be honest. And we get ceramic bits. These are my favorite for taking off product. These chunky ceramic bits, they just last forever. So we've got, look at all the bits that they include with this. This is pretty awesome. All right, and we got our little handpiece holder. So this sits right in the side there. Just like that. Here's our charger. And then here is our power supply for our drill. So plug that in. And it's a locking style. You can open and close it like this, which I really prefer versus the ones that just go in and out, because this is a lot more secure, it feels like. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna get this out of the way. I'm gonna try this out. So these are actually my baby shower nails. They have been on for like 4 weeks and they're really crusty. And then we've also got these really huge chunky charms that I wanna see if this drill can take off. I usually wouldn't file through my charms, but I want to give it a little challenge today. We're gonna see if this drill can handle it. I'm gonna use that chunky bit, that ceramic bit. It has a little give at the end of the lock. kind of snaps in there and then rotates a little bit. Interesting. All right, so how do I start the RPMs? I suppose I should look at the instructions. Long press to start, and then I'm supposed to select a direction forward. Oh, and it actually tells you what speeds to use. I've never seen that before. So I never use anything more than like 18,000 RPMs, even for taking nails off. It's just a little bit too fast, I feel like. And I've seen other people on other channels use about like 15 to 20 for takeoff. So that's about what I do too. And it works great. Don't really need anything more than that, but yeah, let's try it out. So I'm just gonna kind of do what I would normally do here. It's in P. What is P? All right, I long pressed. Went forward. Something wrong. P. What is? Is my power on backwards or something? I don't know. Try the other way. Long press. P. Well, I don't know what to do, so I'm going to plug this in and see if connecting it to the power kind of resets it. All right, so it says it's charging now. And then I'm gonna Google what's going on. All right, let's try this again. All right, it's still in P. Let me get the video overhead restarted again here. All right. TikTok says hold the power button for 3 seconds at least. Huh. I really wanted to use this. I don't know what's going on. Ugh. This sucks. Well, oh. I don't know what I just did. I think I was holding the button and I turned it at the same time. Now it works. All right, let's try this out. Yeah, like I was, yeah, so these are actually my baby shower nails, and they have these really chunky charms that were not flat, so I used a ton of gel and polygel in here. So I usually would snip off my charms, but I'm gonna try drilling these off and see how it handles. So here's what it sounds like. Oh, the color change is a nice touch. That's really cool. It's not that bad. I'll show you my Kiara Sky one for reference. just about the exact same volume. Let's go right into this bow here and see how this does. I'm gonna bring it real close here. I'm gonna push down really hard and see if I can get it to... It is not stopping, which is kind of incredible. A lot of the cheaper drills will like seize and stop, but wow, look at it just go right through that charm. I'm very impressed so far. Wow, look at that. It's gone. That worked amazingly. Wow. Yeah, wow. Cool. That took like a second, and I was really pressing hard in here to try to get it to like stop or do something, but this thing is powerful. Yeah, 10 out of 10 so far. No notes. Very impressed with this thing. Yeah, just a little bit of a hiccup trying to get it to work the first time, but so far this works the exact same as my $400 nail drill. So if you don't want to spend the money, I say don't, because this works great so far. Saviland did send me this nail drill to test out, by the way, so I did get this free product. But if you guys do want to pick it up, I do have a 10% off discount code Sabrina. So check that out on their website if you want to check out this drill and get a little bit of a discount. But yeah, I'm going to finish taking these off, and then I'm going to try this out for some cuticle prep as well. Based on how it's doing so far, I think it's going to do perfect. So I'll see you in just a minute here. All right, time to switch to prep. So I usually don't use bits like this. So I'm actually gonna use my own flame bits. I love the color changing. This is so fast. I would never use this. All right. Yeah, this really works just awesome. You know, kind of like I expected from the removal. It works, you know, exactly the same as my other drill, and just much cheaper. And very nice in the hand too. I haven't had like any like kind of fatigue using it at all. Very nice grip. Okay, reverse mode. Yeah, this is a great nail drill. I'm very impressed with this. And if you guys want to pick one up, All the links are going to be in the description and the comments below, so check that out. I do get a little bit of a kickback from the Amazon links at no cost to you guys, helps me out. Or if you're buying from their site, make sure you use promo code Sabrina for a 10% discount. But yeah, I am planning on using this drill because I actually really like it. Yeah, if something changes in the future and this absolutely breaks or starts on fire or something, I will make sure to let you guys know in the comments of this video. So far, really loving it, really impressed, especially with all the goodies it came with. So yeah, hope you guys got something on this video. If you like this video, subscribe, because I do lots of product reviews just like this. Always tell you guys exactly what I think about products. That's why I always leave in things like that weird little pause thing that happened. I'm gonna message Saviland about that and see if they have anything to say about that, because it seems like a lot of people are having the same issue. But yeah, I always will give you my honest opinions. So if that is something that you guys want to see more of, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.